Sahneye gelerek soru ve cevap bölümüyle ilgili olarak peki. Okay, so I will be very pleased to have you on the stage in order to take these questions and answers, please. Evet, sorusu olan varsa. Soru var mı? Şurada bir soru var.
Gelmiyor mu? Merhaba, Barış Altay, mimarlık öğrencisiyim. Şimdi aşikar ki bir yapı ürettiğimizde veya bir şey inşa ettiğimizde doğadaki malzemeleri kullanıyoruz. Bunu optimuma çekmeye çalışıyorsunuz veya kendi kurduğunuz yeni gerçekliğin içerisinde bazen de işte romantikleşerek bunu inşa ediyoruz. Bu aşamaya kadar olan şeyler tamam yapılıyor. Peki bunun ötesinde, yani mantığın ötesinde nasıl diyeyim? Bugünkü teknolojiyi kullanıyoruz ya, bugünkü teknolojinin dışında bugünkü teknolojiyi desteklemek için ne yapıyorsunuz? Veya bir bilime ayırdığınız, bir Ar-Ge'ye ayırdığınız bütçe var mı?
Sorunuzu hangi konuşmacımıza yöneltmek istiyorsunuz?
Şirkete yönelteyim.
Peki.
Thank you. Well, I thought you were asking the question to the architects. So the question is whether we allocate money to research and development. Of course, yes, we do. The fact that we are here today presenting a new product is a clear sign of that. The fact that I mentioned in the beginning that we as a company are deeply involved with sustainable building, the fact that we are discussing about the environmental performance of our products. We investigate how our providers of raw materials are producing our raw materials. We investigate how we use those raw materials to produce our products, and we understand also how our products go from our factory to the final site, and we investigate all the energy consumption that takes place during all that cycle. So we are making a big effort both in research and development and also in understanding the contribution of our products to sustainability. I hope this answers your question.
Başka soru var mıydı acaba? Pardon.
Teşekkür ederim. Merhabalar. Öncelikle bir mimar değilim, bir kimyagerim. Kız kardeşim mimar. Onun dolayısıyla biraz aşinayım mesleğinize. Ben bir kimyager olarak kullandığınız bütün malzemeler her ne kadar biyosferle uyumlu olmaya çalışsak da, sürdürülebilir mimarlığı desteklemeye uğraşsak da kullandığımız bütün malzemelerin yapay olduğu dikkatimi çekti. Bu dilemmayı nasıl açıklayabiliriz?
Sorunuzu kime yöneltmek istiyorsunuz?
Sanırım mimarlara yönelteceğim.
Okay.
Do you have an answer? I don't understand exactly the term of superficial. Artificial. That's it. But I don't think it's a dilemma. Everything is artificial as far as at the beginning our planet was just mineral. So all the rest is a production, artificial production of life. So this idea of don't touch this or that is always relative, because everything has been changing, everything is itself a construction. Nowadays, for example, if you can feel when you enter in an old house, in an old mosque, for example, and you feel well in summertime and in wintertime, because the material, stone materials, very big, thick walls and so on, you can feel well in a wealthy situation inside without wasting any kind of energy. But if you can imagine the ecological disaster that it would be to try to build all our houses with stone in these same terms, it's no use. But the fact is that we can try to put this kind of climate inside our buildings, let's say changing heat from the bodies, not with stone taking from the ground, but maybe with changing face materials, which are paraffins and other kind of materials, very thin and very lightweight. That means that changing face materials are very artificial, but what is not artificial, it's climate inertia. So we can reach very old and very wealthy situations for the human beings with the use of very sophisticated artificial materials. But what is not important is the sophisticated material. What is important is the wealthy of the people.
Başka soru var mı acaba? Burada beyefendi.
Merhaba, ben bir mimarlık öğrencisiyim. Size sorum şu. Günümüzde piyasa mimarı olarak adlandırdığımız mimarlara göre yaptığınız işler çok daha farklı, çok daha yenilikçi. Sizin gibi olmak isteyen mimarlara ve öğrencilere tavsiyeleriniz nelerdir? Neler yapmalıyız?
Sorunuzu yöneltmek istediğiniz belli bir mimar var mı?
Yani ikisi de olabilir, fark
Peki.
etmez.
Well, I think that Felipe just was saying that the important thing is not the materials, the sophistication, but the ideas, the concepts. And I think this is the very beginning of the processes. And what we should try to do is to improve and to make better and better these ideas with the help of the different, with the different knowledges of the different technologies and the different professionals, because the architects, we can develop ideas, but we need to talk, to understand, to exchange these ideas with the experts on the different areas of the knowledge. We cannot develop our ideas by ourselves, but we need to change, to show our ideas to the society and to feed back with their knowledge, with their dreams and with their expectations. So we, together with the society, together with the professionals, together with the experts, and the other sector of the society, to develop and to test the ideas and even to change the ideas if they are needed to change. But I think the ideas are the beginning, and the exchange of knowledge, of ideas with the multidisciplinary professionals. That's my contribution.
Sanırım başka soru yok galiba. Var. Buyurun.
İyi günler, ben de bir mimarlık öğrencisiyim. Sayın Felipe'ye bir sorum olacak. Aslında deminki cevabın sonunda da vardı. Şimdi fikirlerin önemli olduğunu ve iyi analiz edilmesini söylediniz bize. Bu sürdürülebilirlik kavramının, yani bir fikrin analiz edilirken hangi disiplinlerden faydalanmamız gerektiğini, yani sadece mimarlığın buna yeterli olup olmadığını öğrenmek istiyorum. Çünkü biz bir yapıyı, bir fikri, onu doğaya adapte etmekten söz ediyoruz. Ve onun hakkında da daha iyi tanımamız lazım. Çünkü her bina bulunduğu konumda farklı davranışlar gösterecektir. Ya da her yapı. Öyle düşünüyorum. Bunun hakkında bilgi almak istiyorum.
Teşekkürler.
Very quickly, I think that architecture is an instrument itself. Our project is a project for the reality. So, architecture is not perfect. We cannot change everything with architecture. We just can change a part of the things with architecture. But also we as architects are involved in all other disciplines that are nowadays changing reality. So we architects are not God. We shouldn't try to be gods. We can help all the rest of citizens that are trying to change reality since the different directions. Of course, with that we must change a lot of things in order to be able to talk to the rest of the people that are trying to change this reality, with engineers, scientists, industries, poets, painters, whatever. But they are not beside that. They are with us. And as far as we understand that they are not beside that, but with us, I think we are in the correct position. Each one in each case and each one in his circumstances must know which are their instruments. I don't know if I answer your question. I try to.
Peki.
Thank you. My question is how you can obtain a real sustainability if the urban scale or the megapole scale has no strategy, has no definition, and plus the people who will live inside those public areas or housing, they are changing, but our space notion is not changing from the side of the architect. And is there any strategy in Spain or in Catalonia? And what's your opinion about the new Homo Faber or the new Homo architecture?
I agree with you. If there's no urban architecture, it's nothing. Architecture is a part of the city, a part of the territory, a part of a wider strategy. I think that you are right, and we always think that there must be somebody thinking or a group of people thinking on how the framework of our work. But maybe nowadays, in the contemporary world, we can hope that this strategy is not like in the past, it was a group of hierarchy, but we all are part of this strategy with the new systems, internet and so on, that can push things further just by acting in the specific things we have. As far as we are connected, maybe, I don't know, is a new strategy, a new way of doing things in a wider range. That's what we must hope when we cannot understand where are we going.
Peki katılımınız ve ilginiz için çok teşekkür ederim. Diğer sorularınız olursa ikramımız sırasında konuşmacılarımız cevaplamaktan mutluluk duyacaktır. Sağ olun, iyi akşamlar.